Hello once again. I'm Dr. Sital Sharma. Have you heard about price drop in Unacademy Judiciary subscription? The offer has already started from 25th November and it is not going to last for many days. Why Unacademy Judiciary subscription? Unacademy Judiciary subscription is going to offer you many opportunities, as in, first of all, you get to learn from one of the best educators in the country. Moreover, you have an option to go in for the live classes. And in case you miss out any of the live classes, you also have an option to go for the recorded ones. And the icing on the cake is that the main test series, which is going to be the regular affair, is going to start from December itself, and this is going to be a monthly affair. So overall, this is an opportunity which is not supposed to be missed out. You can check in for further details on Unacademy website. Thank you so much.